Malt is a type of sprouted and dried grain used to produce whiskey, beer, and another alcoholic beverage. It involves the soaking, germination, and drying of grain. During the malting process, grains develop diastatic enzymes that transform the grain starches into several types of sugar. Malting process helps the grain to get unique colors and flavors. Its unique color and flavor facilitate its application in the food and beverage sector, in addition to the brewing industry. The market size malt market was worth United States dollars $19,286.06 million in 2017, and it is expected to reach United States dollars $30,560.71 million by 2024, growing at a CAGR of 6.9% over the forecast period of 2018 to 2024. Growing application of malt in the other food segment in addition to beer and whiskey. In the present time, malt-based products are getting more application in the other sector in addition to the beer industry. The malt is the rich source of vitamin B, essential amino acid, a good source of calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium and some other minerals. These consumers consume malt for their health benefits through other sources as a bakery, flour. By application. The global malt market is bifurcated into application, brewers, source, and type. Based on application, the global malt market is categorized into beer, food and beverages, functional foods, pharmaceuticals, slim diet, whiskey, and others. The application was dominated by beer segment in 2017. By brewers. Based on brewers, the global malt market is categorized into single malt, specialty malt and standard, and base malt. Further, the global malt market by the application was dominated by standard and base malt in 2017. By source. Based on the source, the global malt market is categorized into barley, rice, rye, wheat, and others. Moreover, barley dominated malt market by the source in 2017. Barley is the most desired grain for malting purpose around the world. By type. On the type, the malt market is bifurcated into dry extract, malt flour, and liquid. Further, liquid extract dominated the malt market by type in 2017. Moreover, the liquid extract is mostly consumed malt in several industries. Liquid extract of malt is used to produce whiskey, beer, and another alcoholic beverage. Additionally, it is used as syrup in the food and beverage industry to provide different flavor and taste to different food and beverage products. Region. Among the region, the market is divided into North America, Europe, Asia, and Pacific, and rest of world. Europe dominated the global malt market. Besides, Europe is anticipated to reach United States dollars $11,536.67 million by 2024. Further, the malt market in this region is estimated to exhibit growth of 6.8% CAGR over the period from 2018 to 2024. Europe dominated the global malt market in 2017 due to heavy demand for malt-based products, particularly in this region. North America is the second highest malt market after Europe. It was worth United States dollars $7,192.50 million in 2017 and expected to grow up to United States dollars $11,169.94 million by 2024 at a CAGR of 6.6% during the forecast period. Asia Pacific is the highest growing malt market in the world.